Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today's video is going to be the shortest video I've ever done. I'm going to show you how to replace the AirPods Max earpads and our brand new designs. So let's start. Okay, so as I said, it's going to be very simple. The AirPods Max earpads are magnetized. You simply pull them out, and then the only important thing you have to remember. So I'm going to use our leopard design, which, by the way, we worked very hard to get printed designs on fabric so it resembles the same feel as the AirPods Max, only with a little touch of flair that you can use with our various designs that we have. The one thing you need to remember, you must use the right earpad on the right side and the left earpad on the left side. There is a sensor cutout right here on the earpads. There is a sensor on the AirPods Max as well on both sides. The sensor is right here and the sensor right here. On top of the sensor, it will also say whether it's the left side or the right side of the headphone, of the ear cup. So I'm going to take the right side and I'm going to simply align the sensor and they will magnetize in place. And here are some of our other designs. My personal favorite one, the blue gingham. We also have the emerald tide, which comes in emerald green, and we will have a bunch more releasing. And that is it for the video. Shortest video I've ever done. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.